What's up, everybody? This is Dejan, the owner of Tinae's Wealth Management. Just checking in today to give you all some free game on how to utilize LinkedIn to get a good paying job. Now, I want to do a piggyback video off of my last video just to give you all some insight on what you can do to better your situation, how you can get a better job, and really just get the standard of living you've just been dreaming of. So let's talk about it from the very beginning. So, as I tell everybody, you need to be on LinkedIn when it comes to getting jobs. It's better than Indeed. It's better than Monster. It's better than Career Builder. A lot of people get in the habit of getting on these websites and these platforms and looking to get put on the entire time. There are recruiters and employers that are on LinkedIn that are looking for people like you and me. Excuse me, I had the hiccups. So let's talk about a lot that what we see on the screen. The title name for the job that you currently do is important. I say this in every video. So senior operations manager, loan IQ developer, data scientist. I use those three titles to gather attention from different recruiters and agencies from across the country. So it's very important to do that. And as I tell everybody, your open to work preferences are really important. So it's basically going to be a way where you can opt into a number of different job titles that you're looking for, on-site, hybrid, or remote roles. And you can look for roles that are both on-site and remote based on certain locations. So you pretty much get a wide range of opportunities based on the algorithm that you're creating. So just taking it back to the profile, I think it's really important that a lot of people understand that you need to thoroughly fill out your job description. So just to give you all an idea, this is how my job description looks like. I tell people this in videos all the time because there's so many people that get in the habit of just thinking that you can just put, random jobs on your profile and recruiters are going to come to you. In most cases, they usually won't unless you put certain keywords, softwares, and programs that you use. So for myself, you can just go through here and see that I have a wide range of mortgage and commercial real estate experience. So it leads a lot of recruiters to my profile that are paying excessively high for certain positions. And you can see that just based on, the jobs that I get in my messages every day. So I have a number of recruiters that contact me and they hit me up about a lot of things, and a lot of times the compensation is well above $200,000. And I can prove that simply by taking you to ADP and showing you exactly what my paychecks look like on a regular day to day. So again, not posting this to brag, but just showing you guys that there is a lot of opportunity out there if you truly put yourself in that position. So again, I make over $350,000 a year, including bonuses, simply by doing a lot of developer work. So again, I've made $38,000 this year and I'm only 4 paychecks in, as you can see. So you can see where I've had $10,000 every 2 weeks. And last month I grossed $30,000. Well, really $28,000. So the money is definitely real. I'm showing you guys this just to confirm. It's not just me talking on social media. I do have an MBA. I do have a lot of good experience in the bank realm. But I also want to point out that there are still a number of opportunities for people in project management and IT. And we do help individuals with resumes and LinkedIn profiles because we know we can create opportunities for other people. So make sure you tap in on the website in the description box if you want to, get those type of opportunities. Now, let's go to the job section and let's click on Senior Operations Manager. I want people to see that you can filter for certain jobs on here based on full-time roles, certain LinkedIn features, and you basically put yourself in a position to find jobs that can fit your needs. So as you can see, what we do for our clients is we look for jobs that says your profile matches this job and we apply for it, because the algorithm sees that you have skills and resources that can be utilized in this position. So when you go to jobs and you filter for roles that you like, make sure it says your profile matches this job. If it says that, you definitely want to tap in and apply for those roles, because they could have a very, very good compensation range. So just like these jobs are saying 4,000 to 6,000 a month, that's still very good. I mean, I make double that, but just like I said, the compensation is really good if you just go on LinkedIn and look for roles that fit the type of things that you currently do. And again, taking it back to your regular profile, thoroughly fill out the profile, from your open to work preferences, from the names of your job titles, from the things that you talk about, post, your about section. You want everything to be thorough. You want to completely explain what it is that you do so that recruiters can give you a chance. And again, think of it like this. If I'm a recruiter and I'm coming to your page, what are some things that you can talk about to get me to want to talk to you? You know, depending on the industry that you work in, I say stick to software, programs, any hardware that you use to perform a job, because that's what a lot of jobs typically are based on, just softwares and programs. So for me, as a guy that's in banking and project management, I know Agile is important, Jira is important, Microsoft Power BI, SQL, anything that goes hand in hand with the IT and banking side, I know is very important for someone like myself. So again, thoroughly fill out your job descriptions on your LinkedIn. It's one of the best ways to get paid. And again, you want to break everything down as far as what you do. Don't talk about anything soft skill related. Keep it strictly hard skill based, and recruiters and employers will constantly come to your profile. And I'm just telling you from experience, because I have a number of messages from recruiters who come in and just send me messages every day. So I ask people, you know, are they paying well over 300,000 for a lot of these roles? And a lot of times they just, you know, call me and we really talk about it. So again, if you're looking for a good position, definitely come up here and ask these people, because again, these positions are paying over $100,000 a lot of times. It's just on you to put yourself in that situation to get paid. So again, definitely want to thank everybody who has taken the time to watch my video. I will start posting more in-depth videos on how to actually apply and build out your profile. And I will be posting that on YouTube so that everyone can get a good idea on exactly what it is that you can do. So again, I want to thank everybody who has taken the time to watch my video, and make sure you contact us if you're looking for LinkedIn and resume help, because we can help you get involved with that. So thank you again, and hope you all stay